No. Okay, let's check of some login validation error on our login page, and we have to check that we have registered our new user, and we will check the validation of our sign up that the email is unique, and we have to set some route to redirect to our pages. So when we log into our application, so application, so it is redirecting to the default home page. So we have built our home page with the nav bar. So we will redirect to our nav bar, the page, actual page, so landing page. Okay. So here, when I submit this login form, you can see the validation error are displaying in here. And the same that we have set in our register sign up form, so we will set into our login form. Okay, come to our login form and close this migration, and in our register, let's comment first the logo, because when we create our users, when admin will create the user, and it will also update its image, company image. So we will comment right into our sign up form here. Right now we will not upload our image. So control shift and forward slash, it will comment, and let's check to in, so logo is not a, okay, and let's control P and find our login dot blade, and in our blade we have to display an error. So where is the email? Okay, here we will use the blade syntax and display error errors, and we use the helper function has. If it has email, so ternary operator, and we will, if it condition is true, so we will display a class has error, otherwise colon a blank string. Okay, copy the use the blade exact syntax. Okay, copy this one and paste into our password. So this time error has password field, so this one name password. Okay, come to our browser, go to sign in and refresh. So submit login. So see, we have our field is highlighted and we are displaying an error. Okay, when we log in, and we have our dashboard. So, and we will redirect to our page. So to understand what are the routes that is using, so see, this form login is going to a root login, and we have also checked our root list in some of previous video. So if we again check PHP artisan route list, so our login get request login will go to HTTP controller auth login controller and show login form, and it is using a web guest. And okay, so let's see in our web.php. So the home, when we created our scaffolding, so this root home is created with home controller and method index. It is going to a home. So when user authenticated, so when we go to our login controller, So let's close this register controller, find login controller, which is in our HTTP controllers, auth, and login controller. So when user authenticated, it will redirect to a /home root, and the home root is going to a home controller with index method, and its name is home. Okay, and the home is under views and home.blade.php. So you are logged in. So this message is displayed when we logged into our application. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit login and you are logged in. If I change it, logged in, you are logged into application. Save it and refresh. See, we are exactly in the same page that we are tracking data. So purpose is to redirect to our new navigation. So it's a test and welcome. Okay, let's first come to our login controller, and in a login controller we see it's using the trait authenticate user, and we will find it by pasting. So it is using a show login form auth dot login. So auth and this login dot blade. Okay, and close it. Okay, now we will go to our home controller. So in a home controller, when user is authenticated and it's authenticate its credential, so it is using the middleware auth and the public function index, and it is returning a view home, and we have to set our home according to our new layout. Okay, in our home view, so we are extending our layout app, and it is, let's close this migration quickly, and in our layouts folder we have a main layout. So this is where our nav bar is a yield. We are yielding our content. Okay, so let's change this to our main layout and section content. So we will not require this time content container. We are removing this one, also this directory, and we are just using a row under content, only a row. Okay, and column, uh, column which is MD, we will use a small, and it will be a 10, column grid system 10, and column small offset 1. So it will decrease the offset 1, 2 grid from 1 grid from left and 1 from right. So we will not require this session you are logged in. Okay, let me remove this one. And we will use also remove this card. Let me clean this layout. So Control S, save, and let's paste H2 dashboard. So save it and come to our browser, login. So when we logged in, so we are now in our dashboard. Okay, and this will not log out because we have to set a logout. Okay, so we are in a dashboard. Great. Okay, let's quickly design our layout. So div and with the class call small 10 and call small offset 1, and in this grid we will use h2 and its class column small 10 and column small offset 1, and smart expense, and we will use a span. Under that span, say keeping, and let's style this sorry, class, because we have a in a css class text dot text dash color, and here will be style color be hash E97856. Okay, refresh the page. So we are smart expense keeping. Okay, create another div for our dashboard. Div, and it will be the same column class column small 10 and column small offset 1, and the style margin top 20 pixel, and here h1, suppose h1 dashboard. Okay, refresh, and we have a dashboard. Okay,